Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. It's a pleasure serving you. Okay, so I hope all is well. Alright, so let me show you how to make some garlic rubbed salmon with vegetables and sweet potatoes. Okay, let's do it. A healthy meal, a real healthy meal. Alright, thumbs up if you like it. You can go ahead and thumbs up if you like it because you know you like other things that I've seen. But if you want to wait, it's okay. Thumbs up when you finish, alright? Share the video and subscribe. Please share the video because this is a healthy meal that everyone can share. If you are diabetic, if you have other health conditions, this is for you. Alright, let's do it. Okay. So I bought some salmon and I paid $11 and I cut it right down the middle. So the other half I still have. So this is about, what, $5.50 worth? Alright, so I already rinsed it off. So now I already also, I put olive oil on the bottom of the pan to coat the pan. Wash my hands. Okay. I'm trying to open my container. There we go. Okay, so I have some garlic paste here. If you don't have any garlic paste, just chop up your garlic, 1 clove of garlic, very fine. And so I'm just going to rub the garlic paste on top of the salmon. This is going to be our seasoning. Okay, that was less than half a teaspoon that I actually put on there. Okay, now we're going to add some black pepper. Alright, now on top of the garlic and the black pepper, I'm putting some olive oil. You see that? Now I'm going to rub and massage that olive oil in, just like so. Now, on top of that, I'm going to layer some sliced tomatoes. I took 1 very small tomato and I sliced that. So that's what we're going to be putting on here. Okay, now I got some red sweet peppers. I'm going to layer those on. And what this is going to do is the flavor from the vegetables is going to go down in that salmon and give that a great flavor. Okay, let me show you that so far. Okay. Alright, now I have some scallions. Scallions is onions that I cut up. We're going to put those on the top. Sorry about that. Okay, that's what we're looking like. And we're going to bake this in the oven on 450 degrees. Now, it only takes fish a few minutes to cook, okay? So what we're looking for is probably less than, I would say around 10 minutes, give or take. You're looking for the coloring of the fish to turn, and this is salmon, so you're going to look for it to turn from a dark pink as it is now to like almost a pale pink. And the vegetables, you should see that they have already started to cook as well. So we're going to check that in about 7 minutes, okay? Alright, 450 degrees in the oven, okay? You know what? Let's cook that right in the air fryer. How about that? That would work. You know, the air fryer doesn't heat up the house. It's perfect for this. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to try to carefully transfer this. I should have thought about this first, but it is what it is. There we go. I did pretty good. Only one piece fell off. I can go with that. Okay, I'm going to put it in. Okay, so scrap the idea that you're going to put it in the oven and cook it on 450. We're going to the air fryer now. If you don't have an air fryer, then yes, you follow the instructions of putting it in the oven and cooking it till on 450 degrees. Air fryer, however, garlic. Okay, we're going to turn the air fryer on. 1 second. Gotta plug it in. Okay, I'm going to turn the air fryer on. And let's go up to 370 is okay with the air fryer. And we're going to take this down to 7 minutes, and I'll look at it after 7 minutes. Okay? Alright, so now we're going to saute our broccoli, and our sweet potatoes is already cooking in the microwave. 1 second. Okay, our air fryer has stopped, and it still has a darker pink color on it that I'm looking at. So I'm going to set this to start over on another 7 minutes. Alright, so now we're going to cook our broccoli. Okay, so while our air fryer is finishing up, we're going to saute the broccoli. I put a little olive oil in the frying pan just now. This is 1 head of broccoli cut up. So I'm going to just drop that in while it's heating up. And I want to put some cilantro as my seasoning. And some, I think I'm going to go with there it is, cayenne pepper. Okay. Okay, I'm putting less than a ½ ounce of water in here, okay? Look, 1, 2, 3. 3 little drops, 4 little drops. And I'm going to put the top on it to steam that. So while that's cooking, I'll give that a few minutes, and then we have 4 minutes left on the salmon in the air fryer, and I'll come right back. Thanks. Okay, we have 2 minutes left. So remember, we set the timer on the air fryer on 7 minutes, and then we did another 7 minutes, and we have 2 minutes left. So 2 from 14 is 12 minutes these salmon have been cooking. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. I'm going to take a temperature. Okay, we're at 155. We're good. Fish is good there. Okay, check on our broccoli. Okay, that looks good enough. You want to cook your vegetables so that you still have the bright color, and it's not all wilted down. This is perfect. Okay, I'm going to cut that off. Alright, so I'm going to plate this up for you and give you the word of the day, okay? I'm going to give you the word of the day that I think you might want to hear. Alright, I'll be right back. Life surprises. Life is full of surprises. Some surprises are happy surprises, and some surprises you don't want to hear, see, or know about. But at any rate, you gotta be prepared for the unknown. And sometimes that surprise is a blessing, and sometimes that surprise is a curse. And sometimes you may have to live a while to figure that out. But at any rate, be prepared for life changes, because it's all a surprise. That's the word of the day. Okay, so I have plated up our salmon dish. Oh, you can't see. Let me put the camera down. Here we go. I'm going to tilt it a little. How about that, guys, huh? You like that? Isn't that gorgeous? Salmon took 12 minutes in the air fryer. And the broccoli we cooked on the stove. That was less than 5 minutes. And the sweet potatoes was in the microwave on 8 minutes. Okay? Alright, talk to you soon. Love you, love you, love you, love you. Bye-bye.